Do I have the deal for you? I can save you $25,000 on this gold fortified home in a gated community. They have amazingly low interest rate, and the homeowner's insurance premium is out of this world because of the gold fortified certificate. My favorite part of this community is that it's on solid roads, so it's close into town with all the benefits of having new construction. The kitchen features a tiled backsplash and stainless steel appliances, tray ceiling in the living area and in the primary suite. Luxury vinyl plank throughout the living area with carpet only in the bedrooms. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. The primary bath has double vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate tiled shower. Now don't forget, these homes also come standard with the Smart Home Package. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. For a limited time, they're offering interest rates as low as 4.99. This Lamar floor plan features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 1,700 square feet. This home comes with a 1-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. Do you need to sell before you buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can give you a free home analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.